My name is Vervaet Todd. I represent RJC Todd Ltd. We've been lifting sugar beet since the late 70s, starting with single rows, and in 2000 got our first 6-row tanker, and this now is our latest tanker, the Vervaet 625, which I feel has been the best tanker we've had so far. Right from the ability to control the topper, the shares, onto the roller bed, which is now hydraulically adjustable, which Vervaet did for us. You can run everything as slow as you want or speed things up. I feel we're getting more tap roots in the sample. Our customers are happier than the machine we were running last year. We're leaving less in the field and we're getting more in the tank. And at the end of the day, that's what the customers need. The reason we chose a 625 was basically we were looking for backup, which we'd not had in the past. Having known Matt for a number of years, trusted him, we were very much against a 625, we were very much against a Vervaet, having thought in the years previous they were quite aggressive on beet. This now, I can honestly say, is probably one of the kindest harvesters we've had on sugar beet. The backup from Riley's has been absolutely superb, as from Vervaet themselves. We've had the machine a month now and they've been out to it twice to check that we're happy with it and do we need to alter anything else, which is, I think, outstanding. Output wise from the 625, I found it very easy to drive, very easy to operate. Once you know how the touchscreen works, that becomes easy. It's so simple to drive, it stays on the row. The feelers and the shares really keep it on the row. Is really good, really pleased with it. I can't say any more than that. It's one of the best steering systems that we've had out of any machine we've had. We've had the driest start that we've had so far, so we've been able to run everything slow, but the shares have been able to work the beet out with tap roots. You've got the roller bed that evenly feeds the beet over into the turbines, then you've 6 cleaning turbines behind that. Being able to run them slow, the beet is just wound through the turbines, keeping tap roots on. When you get into more difficult conditions, gets wet, you can speed the roller bed up, taking muck out, then giving the turbines less to do. So again, trying to keep as much beet whole as possible going into the tank. And with the 6 cleaning turbines, you've got plenty of cleaning. We've had the best day with this machine that we've had so far, lifting 52 acres on a 14-hour day, which for us is really good going. So I'm really pleased with the output on this machine. Tank size on the 625 is ideal for our needs. We have a trailer which will basically nearly empty the 625, but it also means that should conditions turn wet, we can get around into a field keeping trailers on headlands. Power wise, plenty of power, relatively economical on fuel for such a big machine with a big engine. And again, being a big machine with steering on all 3 axles, it makes it manoeuvrable into corners and on bends. I feel very confident that the machine we've got now, the backup behind it, which is what you need, is there. I've rung Harry a number of times, he's always answered the phone. If he's always busy, he will ring you back. And getting a service like that is what you need to keep going. You can have the best machine in the world, but if you haven't got the backup, there's no point.